While working on SolidWorks, you might have to change the units you're working on. This is one of the important pieces that you need to be careful of. So as you can see in the right bottom corner, there's one option which you can use to change your working units. Right now I'm using mmgs, which is the millimeter ground and second. Depending on the project or in which part of the world you're working on, you might want to work with the IPS, which is the inch pound second, CGS, centimeter gram seconds, or MKS, millimeter kilogram in seconds. Throughout this workshop, we'll be using mmgs. You can also change this by selecting this wheel button here on the top right left corner. A new window will pop up, which is this one. And from here, you can go into the document properties and then to the units. Here you have your options to select. You can also customize or create a custom option for yourself. Maybe a new unit you want to work on, let's say nanometers, angstroms, feet and inches, a mixture of it, depending on your requirement.